First of all, every time I try to use your automated system, it doesn't recognize my phone number. Secondly, you keep flagging me for fraud. There is no fraud. This has been going on for many years, targeting financial transactions with many banks across many countries around the world. I'm a targeted individual. My financial transactions are constantly targeted. It's how trauma-based mind control works. I just want to get out of the country. I need to buy a passport. I don't need all this nonsense. You keep flagging my card. You keep flagging my account. And there's no reason for it.
Oh, I definitely understand that. I'm sorry to hear about all of this.
Well, how much longer is this going to go on? Here we go again.
Did you already do the verify.usbank.com?
I can't get the website to recognize the picture on my driver's license. I can't get it to recognize it. I have a New Jersey driver's license. It's not recognizing the picture. So there's got to be some other way to do it. And I just did this. That's why you sent the card. I had to go through this already. I mean, it's not the first time I had to go through this, but this just happened a couple of weeks ago. Just went through this, and now here we go again. Hello?
Yes, sir. I'm still here.
I can't hear you. I can't hear you. Hello?
Yes, sir. So I know you said you can't do it on your phone, but are you able to do this verification on the website?
No, that's what I'm talking about. I'm using my smartphone, my tablet, etc. to try to use the website, and your website is not picking up, it's not registering the picture on my ID. But it's always something. It doesn't matter what it is, it's always something. But that's what I'm going through. So what's the alternative? What can I do? Since I can't use your website.
The only other way is to log into your account and upload the documents that way.
But how many more times is this going to go on? I'm trying to leave the country. I don't need this nonsense going on when I'm outside of the country, much less when I need all this. I mean, I'm just here trying to get medical treatment. It's unreal that this just keeps happening, but it's been going on for years. Look and see how many times your bank has flagged me for fraud. There's no fraud, but look and see how many times. Just look at my file. Constant chaos. Constant manufactured chaos. Not just with my financial transactions, with all transactions.